Are you tired of trying to clean your sofa on your own, only to be left with stubborn stains and lingering odors? Do you struggle to find the time to maintain a clean and comfortable living space? Look no further. Introducing CleanNow's SparkleSofa cleaning service, the ultimate solution for all your sofa cleaning needs. We cater to the bustling expatriate families and busy working professionals in Dubai who deserve a pristine and healthy living space. At CleanNow, we pride ourselves on our commitment to using eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are not only safe for your family and pets, but also gentle on the environment. Our highly skilled and certified sofa cleaning professionals have a 95% customer satisfaction rating and are dedicated to delivering exceptional results every time. Our state-of-the-art cleaning equipment and comprehensive stain removal techniques can tackle all types of stains, including wine, ink, pet urine, food spills, and grease. With a 98% success rate in removing stubborn stains, we guarantee that your sofa will look as good as new. Suffer from allergies? Our specialized allergy relief service focuses on removing allergens such as dust mites, pet dander, and pollen from your sofa, improving the overall air quality in your home. To prolong the life of your sofa, we offer an optional fabric protection service that repels liquids, dirt, and stains, making future cleaning more manageable and ensuring that your sofa stays clean and fresh for longer. At CleanNow, we understand that your time is valuable. That's why we offer flexible scheduling options to suit your needs, with fast-drying techniques that ensure your sofa will be dry and ready for use within 2 to 4 hours of cleaning. We are so confident in the quality of our service that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we will re-clean your sofa at no extra cost. Say goodbye to the hassle of sofa cleaning and enjoy a clean, comfortable, and healthy living space with SparkleSofa by CleanNow. Don't wait any longer. Book your SparkleSofa cleaning service now and experience the difference for yourself. Visit our website at cleannow.ae or call us at 56 546 4033 to schedule your appointment today.